Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatin Kasmet Rashid. My metric number is 17DDD21F1022. First of all, I will explain about the strength of Microsoft Word. First thing first, the integration. One of the most powerful features of Word is the ability to integrate any document with other media available within the Office suite. It is easy to incorporate graph, presentation materials, worksheets, and any other media created in the suite. As the link is dynamic, any document you create can be instantly updated when other media changes. The second one is mail merge. Word makes it very easy to create personalized documents by using a database list of names and addresses and merge them into a document. This is ideal for mass mailings of brochure or letters. The mail merge feature is intuitive and feature packed, allowing you to create many different documents like mailing labels. The last one is templates. The good thing about Word is that there are thousands of templates available. So it's very easy to create a brochure based on a template someone has already designed. Most templates are very easy to use and very customizable, allowing you to produce some stunning end results. The next slide is about the weaknesses of Microsoft Word. First one is cost. While Word is the best word processor available, it can be very expensive. You can get free word processors that are nearly as powerful that will satisfy the needs of most users. The next point is complexity. Most users will probably never use 50% of the functionality of Word. The complexity can actually be deterrent as some users will be overwhelmed by the features available. The ribbon does present some of the more frequently used elements, but the lack of intuitiveness of the ribbon can add to the confusion. The last point is remove features. Some familiar features of Word have been removed in the past. This includes the iconic toolbar that was replaced by the ribbon. Word also previously had tools like speech recognition, although the feature became a part of Windows. The next slide is about the principle of flexibility. Basic multi-threading. Ability of system to support user interaction for several tasks at a time. Concurrent multimodality is simultaneous communication of information pertaining to separate tasks. For the interleaving multimodality is permits temporal overlap between separate tasks. Dialogue is restricted to a single task. For the strength of multi-threading is we can open many platforms at the same time. For the weaknesses of multi-threading is disturbing while open to much platform. For the last slide about the principle of flexibility is a task migrability. Passing responsibility for task execution between user and system, for example, is spell checking. For the strength of task migrability is we can know the error of the spelling in a sentence. But the weakness of task migrability is if we use the name in our sentences, they can detect the wrong spelling and grammar. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nira Syahira binti Masrum. Matrix number 70DDT21F1014. We choose learn ability and flexibility from 3 design principles. So I will present about learn ability. Firstly, familiarity. Phone is familiar to everyone when using Microsoft Word and how prior knowledge to new system. Such as B is bold, I is italic, and U is underlined. This is effective use of appearance in an interactive system design can improve the familiarity of the system. So the strength is the user is easy to understand and not confused by the existing symbol. And the weakness, if the symbol is changed, it is impossible for the users to find out the meaning of the symbol. Secondly, generalizability. Generalizability support for users to extend specific knowledge and across application to other similar situations, such as copy Ctrl+C, paste Ctrl+V, and save Ctrl+S. So the strength is fast for users to do their work, and weakness is more time for users to click the undo button if user press keypad incorrectly. So lastly, consistency. Consistency, lightness in input-output behavior arising from similar situation or similar task objective. The layout is Microsoft Word, is consistency, organized, and the language in English and easy to understand by users. Like this picture, the menu bar between each other is same, then Microsoft Word use English language. So the strength is user already know where the menu bar is placed, and the weakness is user hard to remember because there are too many compartments in menu bar. That's all. Thank you.
My name is Yusra Azika and my metric number is 17DDT21F1008. Next, I would like to present about the improvement. First, let's take a look about the improvement on liability. Familiarity is one of the elements, and to improve it, we suggest to use TULIP because this may be easy for user to use the symbol or any facility in the word. Next, consistency. This improvement is by simplify every class of the navigation. By simplify it, user will practice using it more practically. Finally, generalizability by provide a better shortcut for user that will be easy to undo and many more. Next, potential improvement is flexibility. In order to make sure the flexibility for user is to improve the multi-gathering, whereby the multi-gathering weakness is when too many platforms at the same time. To improve this problem, we will provide a few suggestions to sort open tabs. This makes the user have an organized desktop. And lastly, the task configurability. Build new setting to give user various choices. User can turn on or turn off the autocorrect. That's all for me.